Slightly different view today. We're in the Jeep Trailhawk on the way to go torture our son. We aren't going anywhere obviously this weekend, but we are going to get a haircut.
Mommy, I'm coming with you.
Yep, you're coming with me.
You excited?
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember that feeling.
Yeah, so we've been working with him on getting him used to the sensation of the buzzers.
He's been several times, but we got to hold him down just about to go get his top of his noggin styled. I don't want to say the word too many times.
Yeah. But we've been working with an occupational therapist lately, and things have been getting better. So I'm hoping that today is the same.
Jackson's nice.
Jackson's nice?
Jackson's nice? I agree. Sometimes.
Yeah. Maybe he's sweet sometimes, but never nice.
Sometimes. I'm going to cover up my crazy mop. For some reason, you decided to record before.
Well, you didn't tell me that. You can always start over. We can press stop. We're not gonna get it.
I got a lollipop.
I need a cookie.
Okay, after we finish, we'll go get you a cookie.
It's just a haircut, buddy. Was that so bad, buddy?
Yes, sir. Okay, we're gonna go find her.
Was that so bad?
Yeah, what's that?
That's my camera. Did you get a haircut? Did it go well?
Was it nice to you?
Did they give you a sucker? I got hair all on his body.
Alright, we're going to add a little bit more coconut flour. Yeah, a little bit more coconut flour.
I need help.
Yeah, you can put it in there. Alright. Okay, we're going to mix it again. You want to turn it on? Okay. Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. Hey, you gotta lock it? You want your headphones?
No.
No? Okay.
You can keep it in mine.
Alright. Here you go. You turn it on. Gentle. Whoa, that's fast. Oh, you want to mix it again? Oh. Lock it. Okay, now you gotta turn it on gentle. There we go, just slow.
Whoa!
Yeah.
I'm making it.
Look, it's all mixed.
Okay. Okay. And
You want to add this? Ready? Oh, hang on, let me open it. Okay, pour it inside.
now I can make focus.
This is the aftermath. So today we are making chocolate zucchini muffins. We have some coconut flour, cacao powder, cinnamon, arrowroot, nutmeg, and a whole lot of mess.
Did you put honey in it?
Here we go. Put them in Mommy's hand. Put them in Mommy's hand. We're just going to sprinkle. We don't need that many because there's already chocolate chips inside. All right. Just one more. Hang on. Here, actually, wait, hang on. Use the chocolate chips on the stove. Can you move all these chocolate chips and put them inside? In here. Don't put them in your mouth.
What'd you do? Who ate all the chocolate chips? Who ate all the chocolate chips?
Give me that, give me that, give me that.
I jumped up. I see it. I'm wearing it.
You're wearing your apron?
Yeah.
I like your apron.
Mommy, you got yours.
I do.
I got mine.
Yep. Thank you, Big Helper.
Oh, it's
What happened?
oh,
He-
mommy.
Splat.
That was screw.
You need a hammer. You don't have a hammer?
Brandon has it.
Okay. Hold on. We'll get you headphones. Now that is ingenuity. Kind of twist it around.
It just needs to be big. Auggie, I got your coconut milk.
I need to take a picture of it.
No, I'm gonna take a picture.
I-
No, here, drink it. No, you gotta keep it in there. It's in there. You just gotta hold it. Can you hold
Drink
it? Drink it.
Whoa, real coconut milk.
Oh, don't turn it.
Sip it.
You sip it.
You drink it.
You
That's a
drink.
straw.
You drink it out of the straw, bud. Like an apple juice.
No.
Yeah.
Try it.
Try it. It's milk.
Try it. It's milk.
No, you try it.
Mmm.
You like it?
Is it milk?
Yum.
Do you want to drink it?
Say,
Is it good?
drink some more.
Yeah.
Do you want some more?
No.
Here.
It's yours.
It's your milk.
It's real coconut milk. Mommy, that's Augie's.
Oh.
You want it? Is that good?
Cooking it.
What?
You're cooking it,
No.
Grandma.
You're cooking it? You don't
Yeah.
know.
Almost done. Watch it go.
Hey everyone, it's Steph. I'm currently sitting in our kitchen. It is, I think, 8:30, 8:40 at night. It's been a day, followed by a couple weeks. But I wanted to kind of give you guys a little bit of an explanation for this video. So Randy, a few weekends ago, was installing an electrical outlet in our house And so Augie and I decided to have a baking day. I typically will bake a big batch of zucchini muffins from Daniel Walker's Eat What You Love cookbook. He loves them, and it's one of the only ways I can actually get him to eat veggies. So this video, as you can tell, I'm wearing 2 different outfits. I failed miserably on the first one. He was so excited, and it was actually our first time really baking together where he was involved and excited to be a part of it. So I forgot to add baking soda, and the muffins came out super mushy and gross. Luckily, I keep some in the freezer, which is a helpful tip if you do have little bakers. I keep some in the freezer, so I was able to pop one out and toast it in our toaster oven, so he had no clue that he was eating one from a few weeks prior. But the other explanation is, as you can see in the video, he wears his headphones through part of the video, and he'll say to himself, "It's all right, it's all right." So a few months ago, we found out that Augie has a sensory processing disorder, and since then we have been going to occupational therapy, and he has made leaps and bounds for his age. And so he uses the headphones when noises get too loud or he gets a little bit overwhelmed, and he'll just throw them on, and he gets right back to participating. So I was super proud of him. He did a fantastic job. So tonight, while he's sleeping, I am baking another batch of muffins so that he doesn't miss out on them. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please hit subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. Can't wait to talk to you guys again. See you later.